Hi guys, welcome back to Creative Java Programming. In today's session, we are going to talk about what is method in Java, how we can call method in Java. So let's start. So I have created one project, app Java 5. I will go to SRC and I have created a package here, P1. In package, I will create a class, press Ctrl and type class, select class, give any name. I am giving class name A, finish. Let's create a method, main method, type MA, press Ctrl space bar, enter. Let's create the method public void test, open bracket, close bracket, and print type SYSO and give value 100. So if I run the program, then this method, test method, will not work. It will work only when we call it. Let's see. It's giving me output nothing. So how to call a method? So first we have to check whether method is static or non-static. How we can find method is static or non-static? If static keyword is used, then it means method is static. If static keyword is not used, then it means this is non-static method. This is non-static method. And for non-static method, we have to create object to access non-static method. So in main method, I will create an object a1 is equal to new a class name. So with the help of reference variable, I am going to call non-static method a1 dot test. Let's see the output. Now it's giving me output 100. So what we learn? We see here, to access non-static method, we have to create object, and with the reference variable we can access non-static method. If I declared a method static, then there is no need to create objects. Let's see. I am creating another class B, and I created a main method, and I created one more method public, and I am creating static method, static void test. Static method belongs to class and there is no need to create objects. Static members directly can be accessed with class name. So let's print out 100. Let's see the output. Nothing giving. Why? Because methods is just like ladies. When you call, then method will run. If you don't call method, then method will not run. So how we can call static method? Using class name. How? Let's see. Class name is V, method name is test. Now run the program and see the output. Now it's giving me output 100. Here static keyword is used, so it becomes static method. static method. If I call method again, then it again give me output 100 and 100. If I am giving output one more method, one more input 200. Let's see the output. So it's giving me 100, 200, 100, 200. So first this method giving me output 100 and this giving me output 200. So in today's video we learn what is static method and what is non-static method. How we can access static method using class name, and for non-static method we have to create object to access non-static method. That's all guys in today's session. Bye bye, take care, thank you.